Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and the charts to help you make informed trading decisions. Today's date is August 27th, 2024, and we're taking a deep dive into Tesla stock. Looking at the recent headlines, we see some interesting developments around Tesla. First, Tesla has posted work-from-home jobs, a reversal of Elon Musk's previous philosophy. This could indicate a shift in Tesla's operational strategy, potentially impacting future growth and profitability. Second, Elon Musk has been making boasts about AI advancements, suggesting potential future developments in Tesla's autonomous driving technology. However, it's important to note that these are just statements, and their actual impact on Tesla remains to be seen. Third, the news mentions tariffs on China-made electric cars, which could impact Tesla's sales in Canada. Tesla might need to adjust its export strategy to avoid these tariffs, potentially affecting global supply and demand. Now, let's dive into the charts to see how this news is reflected in TSLA's price action. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see that Tesla has been on a bit of a roller coaster ride in 2024. The stock is down around 14% for the year, but has rebounded significantly from a late April low. This suggests a potential reversal, but we need to consider the bigger picture. If we zoom in on the past few months, we can see a clear downward trend line. This trend line has acted as resistance, and any break above it would be a strong bullish signal. However, we also see a potential support level around the $175 mark. If Tesla breaks below this level, it could indicate further downward pressure. Now, let's switch to the one-hour chart for a closer look at the recent price action. On the one-hour chart, we see Tesla trading within a range for the past few days. This suggests indecision among traders, with neither bulls nor bears taking clear control. There's a clear resistance level around $200, and we've seen Tesla bounce off it multiple times. Breaking above this level would be a strong bullish signal, potentially leading to further gains. However, there's also support around $190, and if Tesla falls below it, we could see a steeper decline. Now, let's switch to the 15-minute chart to see if we can identify any short-term trends. The 15-minute chart shows Tesla in a choppy range with frequent fluctuations. This suggests that short-term traders are highly active, driving quick price swings. We see support around $215 and resistance around $220, but these levels are not holding very well. The price action is highly volatile, making it challenging to identify clear short-term trends. Overall, the recent news about Tesla's work-from-home jobs, Elon Musk's AI advancements, and tariffs on EVs adds complexity to the picture. The charts reflect this complexity, with Tesla showing signs of both bullish and bearish signals. Short-term traders need to be cautious due to high volatility, while long-term investors might want to watch for a breakout above the downward trend line on the one-day chart. Key price levels to watch include the $175 support on the one-day chart, the $190 support and $200 resistance on the one-hour chart, and the $215 support and $220 resistance on the 15-minute chart. Breaking above the downward trend line on the one-day chart would be a strong bullish signal, while breaking below the $175 support level could indicate further downward pressure. On the one-hour chart, breaking above $200 would be bullish, while breaking below $190 would be bearish. The 15-minute chart is highly volatile, and short-term traders should exercise caution. Ultimately, the direction of Tesla will depend on how the news unfolds and how investors react to it. Stay tuned for future updates as we continue to monitor TSLA's price action and news developments. As always, remember to do your own research before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Explain the Charts for more in-depth analysis of the markets.